Yeah. So pectin, you will see me mixing it thoroughly into the sugar. So I'm going to stir it thoroughly into the sugar. And then I'm going to heat my cherry puree and whole cherries and the glucose up first before adding my sugar and pectin in there. The reason for that is whenever pectin comes into contact with anything that is cold, it forms lumps. It will try to set it. And this will just take us a longer time to dissolve. So get your fruits or puree warm, and then it's easier to blend everything in. So on a gentle heat, I'm just going to stir this together until I begin to see steam. When I see steam, sugar and pectin going there, mix that thoroughly together, and then make sure the sugar has dissolved. So once I cannot feel the grainy texture of sugar in the pot, I'll turn the heat up, and I need to bring this up to the boil. So temperature is very important here. You want this to get to at least 106, thereabouts, degrees Celsius. So 106 degrees Celsius, otherwise it will not set. So temperature is very important. So turn the heat on. If you've got a sugar thermometer, very easy, just stick it in there. Once you get to 106, you know you're there. Small batches like this, I just wait. I watch the pot when it starts to splash at me. So I call it the ouch moment. When it's splashing on you, you're going ouch, ouch, trust me, you're there. Then you turn the heat down, and then you're just going to simmer that for about 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes on a low simmer. Okay, so this is about to go on the hob now. We warm it up, wait till we see steam. Once we see steam, sugar and pectin going there, we dissolve the sugar completely, and then we bring this up to a boil, to a spitting boil. Starts to spit, turn the heat down, 3-4 minutes, and it's done. Then we add our lemon juice. So the lemon juice, you can add it in at this stage or it can go in last. It doesn't really matter. The order for adding your lemon juice is not that important.